Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to make the most delicious pasta salad. Our first step is to cook the pasta. You have to cook the pasta according to the instructions given in the packet. The most common method to cook the pasta is pour some water in a pan. I'm going to take around 3 cups of water. To this add enough salt and a teaspoon of olive oil. Use extra virgin olive oil for this. Extra virgin olive oil will definitely give a nice flavor to the pasta. To this I am going to add 1.5 cups of pasta. Mine will cook around 8 to 10 minutes. So you have to read the instruction given in your packet and cook it accordingly. Or just cook the pasta until it turns soft. Look like mine has turned soft now. Let me take one and check it. So here my pasta is ready. Let me drain the water. So the pasta is ready. Let us move on and make the salad now. For the salad we need a cup of curd. You can also use yogurt. Into this we are going to add 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is optional, but if you add it, it will give an extra taste. Other than this, you need 2 garlic cloves. You have to chop them into small pieces. Next, we are going to chop few coriander leaves. You can also use cilantro. You have to chop this very fine. Let us take half a capsicum and cut it into pieces. Next, we are going to slice half an onion. Finally, we need 1 big tomato. We have to cut it into pieces. So the chopping part is over. Next, we are going to add the garlic cloves and the coriander leaves into the curd. To this add half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, the required amount of salt and juice of half a lemon. Now let us give a nice mix. So here is our curd mixture. We are going to pour this into the cooked pasta. Give a nice mix. And now it's time to add all the other vegetables. Half a cup of cooked sweet corn, chopped capsicum, sliced onions, chopped tomatoes, and finally we are going to add some chili flakes. Now let us mix everything together. So here is our most delicious pasta salad. It will taste so good. Let us transfer this into a serving plate. You can top this with more sweet corn, or if you like you can add some cheese. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Do like, share and comment our videos, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.